Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Today we are going to start our class Science Term 2, 4th class. Which class? For 4th class, Science Term 2. Yes, what is our lesson name? Weather. Already we started our lesson. Few topic we completed and remaining topic we will complete it today. We will complete today. In previous class we learned till frost. Today fog. On winter mornings water vapor in the air condenses very close to the ground. This gives a cloudy appearance just above the ground. This is called fog. We find it difficult to see even things close to us when there is fog. Okay, on fog what happened? Fog means what in an winters what happened? Water isn't very cold. It isn't very condenses very close to the ground. The water vapor in the air, what happened? The water vapor will be present in the air, not that condenses close to the ground. So that water vapor which is present in the air, that is very close to the ground, and this gives an cloudy appearance. Most of the time we can see in the winters there is a cloudy appearance in the morning also. That is called as an fog. Okay, in the fog what happened? We are unable to see the another person clearly. It isn't difficult to see the things whatever that are present in that vehicles, trees. We are unable to see the properly. We can't see the clear appearance. So that is called as an fog. Next, hail. Next, hail here. When raindrops pass through a very cold region of air, these freeze into small balls of ice. They fall to the ground as hail. What is an hail means? Hail is nothing but when raindrops pass through a very cold region of air, they freeze into a small ice balls. So rain balls will be present. No, in that they are passing through a very cold. When the raindrops are passing through a very cold region of air, what happened? That time that rain balls are freezing into a small ice balls. That raindrops are only becoming an small ice balls. That ice balls are falling to the ground. That ice balls are called as an hail. Next is snow. When water vapor is suddenly cooled, it freezes into tiny white soft pieces. These pieces are called snowflakes. They fall to the ground as snow. So snow means what happened when water vapor is suddenly cooled. So water vapor is nothing but tiny droplets of water. So that water droplets are freezes into a tiny ice crystals with an soft pieces. That is called as an snowflakes. The tiny pieces of an ice, जैसा चूरा आइस के ऐसा गिरता देखो कभी कभार, जैसे छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में. So that snow, that is called as an snow flakes that are fall into the ground as an snow. Next, water cycle. The heat from the sun evaporates the water from the lakes, rivers, oceans and seas. Water vapor rises up into the air and cools to form a tiny water droplets. Thus condensation takes place. These tiny droplets join to form an clouds. When the clouds passes through the cold air, the water droplets in them become bigger and heavier. Finally they fall to the ground as rain. So water cycle is nothing but whatever the heat, that from where we are getting the heat from the sun. So what happened? From the heat the sun evaporates. What the sun will do means it evaporates the water from the lakes, oceans, rivers and seas. Evaporation is nothing but, what is evaporation? हीटिंग द वाटर मीन्स जैसे नून टाइम पे क्या होता है वहाँ पे ज़्यादा सन की हीट रहती है. तो हीट रहने पर क्या होता है? एयर भी हीट हो जाती है. हीट होने के बाद वाटर वेपर, मतलब वाटर वेपर इज़ नथिंग बट एन टाइनी ड्रॉपलेट्स ऑफ वाटर. जस्ट नो आई सेड. सो दैट फॉर्म्स इनटू एन एयर. So from where the water vapor is forming means from the lakes, rivers and oceans and seas. So these water vapor rises in the air and cools down to form a tiny water droplets. So after that the air which is coming from the lakes, rivers, oceans and seas, these water vapor rises in the air. What happened? It mixes with the air and it cools down and it forms an tiny water droplets. After cooling down, what happened? Water droplets will be formed. So when the water droplets are formed, in that time that condensation takes place, and these tiny droplets are joined to form the clouds. So these all the tiny droplets are joining together to form the clouds. So when the clouds pass through the cool air, the water droplets in them become bigger and heavier. So when the air is passing down from these from the water droplets, what happened? These water droplets will become bigger and heavier. So finally they fall to the ground as an rain. So afterwards, finally what happened? They fall as an rain to the ground. Here next, rainwater goes into the lakes, rivers, seas and oceans. Evaporation and condensation repeat itself in nature. What happened from where we are getting the rain? From the clouds we are getting the rain. So this what happened, where it is falling? Again it is falling to the ground only. From where it is falling? It is falling in the lakes, rivers and oceans. So these evaporation and condensation will be repeat. पानी कहाँ से आ रहा? जैसे अपन ऊपर से अपने को क्लाउड से पानी आ रहा, क्लाउड के पास पानी कहाँ पे जाता? नीचे से, जब सीस, वाटर, लेक्स, ओशियंस के पास से एवापोरेट होने के बाद टाइनी ड्रॉपलेट्स क्या आते हैं? क्लाउड्स फॉर्म होते हैं. क्लाउड से फिर पानी, बारिश गिरने पर फिर बारिश कहाँ पे गिर रहा? ग्राउंड के ऊपर गिर रहा, मतलब रिवर्स, सीस, ओशंस फिर भर जाते. सो दीज कंडेंसेशन विल बी रिपीट इटसेल्फ इन द नेचर. सो दीज रिपीटेड चेंज ऑफ water to water vapor is called, and then back to water is called as an water cycle. Water cycle is nothing but the repeated change of water to water vapor and then back to water is called as an water cycle. I hope you all understood the class, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson. And your homework is this water cycle. You have to draw water cycle one time, draw neatly. And send me the clear homework. Thank you.